This is everything you missed in the new Wild West update in Gorilla Tag.
Shut up, Jay.
First is there's brand new cosmetics. My favourite is this brand new Bob the Builder hat with a light on it. Second is there's brand new swinging mechanics.
Help me!
Wow! No! Ah! If you head to the secret tunnel, you'll notice these signs right here. Now, another one of these signs are also in the caves. This kind of looks like that. If you look at it, this wall here looks like that. Does that mean caves is collapsing?
It seems there's water dripping from the ice. Does that mean this will fill up and we can get a new swimming mechanic?
Okay, so when you equip the horse and run, you hear that? Also, with the new hat, when you tap this, the light goes on. As you can tell, the new household update is back. Tell me in the comments what you will be getting. Subscribe right now or else.